Here I've got the VFD wired into power. So I have this little relay and then the hot wire. So it's coming from the relay into the power supply and then the conjunction's there. And then goes up to the S. And the other side goes there, and then the black wire turns to blue wire and goes to the plug. Now I've got the power supply all hooked up to the VFD. So I put the negative and positive to the Gecko. And remember to always follow your pin out, because this is where I always mess up. I get my wires crossed and yeah, I blow a fuse. And then your E-stop, I just run a jump wire to my ground. Now you can also hook up an E-stop button to it or however you want to set it up. But this just gets me up and running, and then I can wire it all up according later. When you get it all plugged in, you should get the green light. If it's faulting out, then there's something wrong with the wiring.